can my wife move in her boyfriend? I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth, and that's the question that we have. So it sounds like we're dealing with a situation. Maybe the parties are going through divorce, getting ready to go through divorce, and it sounds like they're living separately, and that the wife has moved in the boyfriend to the house. And the question is, can they do that? And the simplest answer is yes. As an adult, then they've got the right to associate with who they want. They can move in whoever they want. But are there going to be consequences to that? That's kind of the better question, and the answer is maybe. It depends. So if the wife, if the parties have kids, they're going through the divorce, the kids are residing with mom, and then mom moves in this boyfriend. Well, now suddenly the court cares a lot more about what's going on in the household. The court generally doesn't care about what wife is doing with her own time, but the court has an obligation to make findings related to the best interest of the children. And who's living in the household is definitely relevant to the best interest of the children. So the court would want to know all about this situation, all about this boyfriend that is in the house and how the kids have been exposed to this boyfriend. So if the kids aren't around the boyfriend at all, the kids don't even know about the boyfriend, then probably no harm, no foul. But if the kids are aware of that, then it's going to be, how does that presence affect the best interest of the child? And it's going to probably be from the starting point of it's not good for the best interest of the child. So it can be problematic for any custody case if mom is introducing a significant other at all, much less moving it into the marital household. So there's nothing to stop her from doing that. The court doesn't have control over where she lives, but the court does have control over where the kids live. So the court's not going to order her to move the boyfriend out, but the court might say, hey, if you don't move boyfriend out, I'm going to take custody away from you. We'll get custody over with dad. So if you're dealing with a situation, though, it can be complicated. A lot of different factors involved. Have you gotten a background check on that boyfriend? What's his history? Is he a danger? Are there kids involved? You're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially for legal advice. To get that scheduled with a lawyer in my office, you go online to makelawEasy.com.